Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can configure Sublime Text for PHP programming. Make sure that you have downloaded this software. After that, here you can see this is another software, that is Exam. Just download it. After that you will get options after installation. Go to C drive. Here you can see Exam. After that, the next, here you can see htdocs. Now you can create here a new folder. Then you can add a name. After that, let's open Sublime Text. Here you can see Start tab, Sublime Text. After that, let's see how it works. Now create a new file. Then here you can see on the file, click here Save As. Now here you can see the directory Exam htdocs. Then you can select that folder. After that, here you can create a PHP file. For example, new file.php. Here you can see the PHP file has been created. Now we can test our demo program. Just we can copy this code. After that, add here this code. Then click here Save. After that, here you can see right click, copy file path. After that, just open new tab. Here you can see this is a complete directory path, just we can replace it. So now we need to replace it with localhost. Then press enter, get back to C drive. Here you can see Exam. After that, scroll down. Then click here Exam control. Make sure that you have started these servers. Now let's try again in browser. Here you can see the PHP program is now working fine. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.